Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change custom alarm sound on Android. Changing your alarm sound to a custom tone or song on Android is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, prepare the custom sound. Ensure your desired sound file or MP3 is safe on your device. You can transfer it via USB, download it, or save it from a music app. Next, change alarm sound and the clock app. Launch the default clock app on your Android device. Go to the Alarm tab and tap the alarm you want to edit. Look for the ringtone or alarm sound option. Tap on ringtone. Scroll to the bottom of the ringtone list and tap the plus button or choose from files. This option may vary depending on your device. On tracks, navigate to the location of your custom sound and choose it. Tap OK or Save or Done to confirm. Tips: trim long songs to focus on the portion you want to hear as you alarm using apps like MP3 Cutter. Ensure the sound file format is compatible, for example, MP3 or WAV. If the custom sound doesn't appear, restart your phone and try again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.